Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix application icons not moving on your Android, especially if you have Infinix Android or any Android phone that you have right now. So here I want to show you based on a general Android. So here from the Android Central forums, thank you for provide us this article. So here there are some people, some users that have same problem. So here you can try to a long press empty space or page and choose home screen settings and see if it's the toggle on, or you can check if the lock home screen layout option is enabled in the settings display home screen. And also you can try to check your settings, then go to the display home screen, then lock home screen layout is set to off, so you have to check on that. So just simply go to the settings, display home screen, and lock home screen layout set to off. Or you can long press screen, select desktop settings, go to the other settings or advanced settings, disable pin icons to screen. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.